Rate behavior in Apple Motion. You can find the rate behavior here on the behaviors, parameter, and rate. Let's apply that to our circle. Once applied, we have a few parameters that we can adjust. We have the rate, the curvature, and offset, and apply to. If you have applied the rate behavior using the library, you need to specify where do you want the rate behavior to be applied to. So I'm gonna apply this rate behavior to position X. Okay, so now this rate behavior will act as a move behavior also at the same time. So the animation of the rate will start from the first frame up to the end frame. Now let's adjust the rate. So from the initial position, which is 0, 0, then if we adjust this rate from the initial position to this area, if we scrub through, we have this very simple movement also. Then curvature, if we look at our keyframe editor, if we adjust this, it will give us a S-curve or a ease in, ease out for our circle. If we press spacebar on our keyboard, so we have that. So it's always nice to set this to 100 so that we have that easing on our animation compared to the linear, which is this one. So and offset, this means when do you want, or where in the composition you want the rate behavior to end. So 0, it means no change at all, but if you adjust this to around 60, so it means 60 frames from the end. So if we go to shift left arrow 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so around here at 211, this rate behavior will end here, and then the position of this circle will end to the area where we have set earlier. One thing to note that if you set this end offset to around 60, just like this, the rate behavior will end here, but it will not complete the animation of our circle. So if we set this to 0, you notice that our circle has a rate of this one, right? It will end up to here at the outside of the composition. But if we set this end position or end offset to 60, it will just end at the middle of the animation. You can also apply the rate behavior to different properties, which you can check in here. So you can apply that to the scale. So let's reset this one. So we can set the rate to 152. So it means from first frame to the last frame, it will add that 152%. So I don't know how they calculate this one. Maybe I think they multiplied this one to achieve this 861 on the scale. So that's how to use the rate behavior in Apple Motion.